Hector, today was the elections. We are not talking about that. We are talking about the issues facing comunidades in general in Goa, not even Aldona.
Yes.
What, in your view, are the main issues facing the comunidades?
See, I was first appointed as the president of my comunidad in 1994 end.
Okay.
Then I was elected for the next triennium.
Okay.
And that time there was no consciousness among the public about the importance of the comunidad.
Okay.
We had to struggle and impart that importance
Yeah.
of the comunidades and to tell the people that comunidad is the identity of Goans.
Yeah.
And now what we find after such a long struggle of 20 years and over,
Yeah.
that people are becoming conscious of their own rights, and those rights they find is identified by being through the comunidad.
Yeah.
That is the most important point where Goans have come to know, and they have to safeguard their own identity, and that can be done only through comunidades. Konkani is not a point to get identity for Goans, because everybody knows Konkani. Outsiders also who come and settle down here, they speak better Konkani than us. So it is my suggestion that we should keep the comunidad going, and I have found resurgence among the people over the importance of the comunidad, and this is shown by all the elections all over Goa, elections of the comunidad that is taking place.
How many comunidades are there? How many are active?
No, there are over 220 comunidades are there, and many of them they were dormant.
Okay.
But now they are also getting reactivated to assert their own identity as well as their presence on the stage of Goa.
What are the biggest challenges facing the comunidades today?
Main challenge is among the members of the comunidad themselves, what we call componentes.
Yeah.
You see, they are not united. They have to unite and circulate the post of the managing committees to different people, so that importance is given for everybody to be associated with the management of the village. Comunidad means the village comunidad. It is not small plots which are there open for people to be granted. It is not that. The importance is that the whole village belongs to the comunidad, and that importance has to be sustained by different people by taking part in the management of the comunidad.
What role has comunidades played across history?
See, that was the only institution which was existing in remote times. Everything was decided by headmen of the village.
Village republics?
Pardon?
Village republics?
They are village republics. If you see the ancient history of India, there were village republics. So these villages of Goa are also similar village republics. Only thing is they were going under the Dharma Shastras. That was the pivotal laws that was governing the village lives. Okay, and there were unwritten usages and customs which were all villages were having. So those customs and usages were later compiled by the Portuguese and given us as regulations and all. And now it is the code. The code is simply a compilation of customs and usage.
Just one last problematic question. The comunidades exclude certain people. Women, for example, prominently. This is all male affair today. Or say, for example,
yes. No.
certain caste. Or how do you respond to that?
No. It is not based on today's tradition.
Yeah.
In the ancient times, men were out, women were indoors. So that was the division of work was there, carried on. And even olden days, the inheritance was mainly through the male, because the woman, once she was married to somebody, she became the part of that family. So it became undiluted. And in the comunidad system, what we have is Eus Sanguini, of one blood. So we are having
What's the Latin term?
Eus one of one blood.
Okay.
Eus Sanguini. sanguini.
Okay,
You understood? No?
Yeah.
So that is the ancient form of citizenship.
I see.
Now we have citizenship of various types.
One man, one vote.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the ancient system. And the founders of the village naturally continued to their direct
Male
male
descendants.
descendants. You see, now time have come to change. That we have to see the pros and cons. We cannot keep it open now. One say woman is married somewhere else, so they also get inheritance in this Kumnidad. No, that should be some properly systematized role. Now that women do not have the role in Kumnidad is not true, because shareholders, many women are there. Widows are also given pension in some Kumnidads. And in this fashion, women play a good role. My grandmother, whenever any announcement was made by drum, beating of drums and all, she used to force me to go and attend and report to her what
I
is
see.
happening. So that she was,
This is 60s, 60s.
yes, 60s and 70s also. Because that old system was,
Parpoti, drum.
yes, drum or
What was it called? Beat of drum.
beat of drum,
तेका कितें कोंकणीन कितें म्हणटाले?
Parpati.
Parpoti.
Right. Or later on they replaced drum with a bell.
Bell.
Bell. A person used to come ringing the bell throughout certain point, stop at certain stations, prescribed stations, and there we would go there till he stops, and he would announce what is the agenda.
Now this is so much of memories and history. You have to write a book on it.
Thank you.
All the best. So nice. Thank you. Thank you for this opportunity. Bye. Yeah. Yes. Come.